Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Happy spring. Spring is hopefully coming soon.
It's been a long time coming, guys.
Here it still feels like winter. But in the honor of spring, we thought we'd talk about how we as, ABA professionals can do some spring cleaning. What can we do to refresh and rejuvenate and just revive what we're doing?
Number one, I would look at toys, look at reinforcers. Have your students been using the same preferred activities or playing with the same toys, sets of materials for ages and ages now? If so, switch them up. Try and rotate your toys on a regular basis. That's huge. Number two, see if you can, rejuvenate your program materials. Are some of them ripped? Is the lamination coming off some of your tokens? Maybe students can have new token boards. What else do they like? Is there a new cartoon of the season? Make some new tokens that way. Look at the materials that you're using. Are they bland? Do they need to be generalized? Do you need some more sets of community helpers? What do you need? Try and get some new materials in place.
Sometimes it helps to look at what the newest movies are that are coming out and make some materials based on that your kid might enjoy. Looking at your programs and seeing can we move on? It's just getting boring. Have they mastered it? Can we probe some things so that we can move on to something different? Look at your data and maybe create some checklists where we can have a way of monitoring and moving things on and not just kind of getting stuck doing the same thing. I think a lot of times the therapists or the RBTs will just do the same thing because that's what they're used to and it's just the same day in and day out, and trying to do something different and mix it up a little bit so that it feels a little bit fresh.